Hey everybody, I'm here on the 2022 Scout 240 XSF. It is shrink wrap, so I just wanted to give you a shot of the interior. Do a walk around on it. I'll come back and point a few things out. Nice transom seat here, does sit flush with the transom when it's tucked away. Live well. Igloo cooler underneath the leaning posts with tackle storage. This is the midnight edition, so you have the nice blacked out grab handles, T-top, helm, and it does have a black hole to match. Garmin screen on board with a vessel view screen, Fusion stereo. On the port side you have an entrance to your head. Moving up to the bow, removable backrests on the forward seating there, storage underneath. Great lounger here. I'll open it up. It is winterized, so there's some pink in there, but nice big box here for storage. So again, this is the 2022 Scout 240 XSF located in Brick, New Jersey. Check it out today.